Google Pixel 2 specs and features. Google is planning to launch its new second-generation smartphone Pixel 2. The Pixel 2 will have Snapdragon 836 chip, which is very powerful and latest. It will be dust and waterproof. Moreover, it is in reporting that the Google coming to the specs, the Google Pixel 2 is said to have Android 8.0 Orid OS, which is the best than ever. There are octa-core processor, Adreno 540 GPU, 4GB RAM, 64GB built-in storage, 5.0 FHD display, Gorilla Glass S5 technology, and dual cellular connectivity. Unofficial preliminary specifications. Basic info. Model No, Pixel 2. Status, rumored. Release date, October 5th. Colors, gold, silver, and white. Body material, metal. Water and dust proof, yes. SIM type, nano SIM. Technology, GSM/HSPA/LTE. OS, Android 8.0. Processing details. Processor, octa-core, 4x 2.45 GHz Cryo and 4x 1.9 GHz Cryo. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 836. GPU, Adreno 540. Memory details. RAM, 4GB. Storage, 64GB. Card slot, microSD, up to 256GB. Display details. Size, 5.0 inches. Type, AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. Resolution, 1080x1920 pixels. PPI, 441 ppi pixel density. Multi-touch, yes. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Camera details. Primary, 12.3 MP, EIS, gyro, phase detection and laser autofocus. Video, yes. Flash, LED flash. Features, 1/2.3 inches sensor size, 1.55 m pixel size, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Secondary, 8 MP. Battery details. Battery, Li-ion. Capacity, TBD. Removable, non-removable. Fast charging, yes. Wireless charger, no. Network details. 2G network, GSM 850/900/1800/1900. 3G network, SPA 850/900/1900/2100. 4G network, LTE. Speed, HSPA 42.2/5.76 Mbps, LTEA, 4CA, CAT 161024/150 Mbps, GPRS, yes. Edge, yes. Connectivity details. WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.1. 1A/B/G/N/AC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, DLNA, hotspot. Bluetooth, 5.0, A2DP, LE. USB, 3.0, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. GPS, yes, with a GPS, GLONASS. NFC, yes. Audio jack, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Others details. Sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Radio, no. Thanks for viewing my video.